welcome. In today's video, we will learn how to play the Wellerman. Make sure that your ukulele is tuned and let's get started. The first part that we're going to do is the one I just played. We need chords C, G, A minor, E minor, in that order. And then the next line is almost the same. C, G, this time we need a B7, and then E minor. The B7 that I'm playing is a barred B7, but you could do the staircase B7, 4, 3, 2, 0, whatever's easier for you. Now give me 2 beats per chord or 2 down strums, and let's play through that. I'll teach you the strumming pattern in a bit, but let's first master the chord switches. So here we go, 1, 2, slowly go, C, C, G, A minor, E minor, C, G, B7, E minor, again. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Very nice. Okay, now let's add a bit of a strumming pattern. Let me show you what I'm doing and then I'll come back around and teach it. I'm going to go a little bit faster just so we can appreciate the strumming pattern a little better. For the strumming, it'll help if you start thinking 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and, okay? For 1, I'm doing a half strum, meaning I'm only touching the first string or 2. So it's a half strum and then full. Half, then full. It's 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Let's go slower. 1 and 2 and. It helps if you flick a little bit and then do your down strum. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Let's go slower. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. So let's add that to our chord switches. 1 and 2 and ready, go. And soon may the Wellerman come. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1. B7 ready and 1 and 2. E minor 1 and 2 and. Great. Okay, so that's most of the song. So now let's go back and learn the first part. For this part, we will need E minor, A minor, and B7. Again, you can choose to do the barred B7 or the simpler B7. Our pattern is 4 E minors, 2 more E minors, A minor. And then that same thing again, but instead of A minor, it's a B7. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's do the whole phrase. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, A minor, E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, B7. Let's put everything together in a play along. 1, 2, you got this. 1, 2, ready. And once was a ship that took to sea. The name of the ship was the Belly of Tea. Winds blew up her bow, tipped down up all my belly bones blow. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. Someday when the tonguing is done, take our leave and go. La 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 la. 1, 2, yeah, 1, 2, ready, go. There once was a ship that took to sea. Name of the ship was the Belly of Tea. Spill up her bow, dip down, I'll blow my belly boys blow. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, I'll leave and go. Woo! Thank you. Hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. In this video, I've been playing the Enya All Solid Mahogany EUC-MS. This ukulele comes with pre-installed strap buttons. It's in all solid and it sounds amazing. I will link it down below. And speaking of linking down below, if you'd like to join my live lessons via Zoom, I will have that down below as well. I do that with my patrons. I've added a printable. There's like hundreds of song sheets that I made for my patrons, so join the family. All right, I'll catch you on the next one. Have fun. Ciao. Go and here we go. Ready, go. I forgot it. Okay, the winds blew out. The winds blew up her bow, dipped down. Oh, blow my billy boys, blow. Okay.